Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the graph. The graph is down 2.9% over the last 1 month, also down 3.2% over the last 1 week. The last 1 year has seen the graph go down by 15.8%. But it's not all bad news for the graph. How high can we go over the next few weeks? The graph is shaping up for one big move to the upside. How high can that move go? Taking a look at the graph's performance against the US dollar. We'll be looking at the graph's performance against Bitcoin, the king of the market, and we'll take a look at the graph's market cap, which sits around $782 million. Can we rally back to the $2 billion level? Maybe get to as high as $5 billion. How high will the graph go in the forthcoming alt season? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. So do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 month, we have seen some signs of life in the altcoin market. Some altcoins have double-digit gains, but the graph is still down 2.9%. The graph started 2023 on a very bright note, pumping from as low as $0.5, getting to as high, pumping from as low as $0.052, getting to as high as $0.22. The graph rose up by more than 330% very, very quickly. But since then, guys, it has been slowly dumping to Goblin Town. Since then, we have been undergoing a correction, and we've seen the graph go down by around 63%. Luckily for us, we have found support, and all the conditions are looking green and dandy, getting ready for one monster move to the upside. Now, how high can the graph go if you see that move to the upside? Where key levels we might see the graph facing difficulties. One of those levels I'll be paying keen attention to will be the $0.31 region. The graph in the previous bull market went up crazily. It went up by about 2,000% in the ending phases of a bull market. But what has happened in this first full crypto bear market, we have seen it lose around 97% of its value. That's a very, very normal occurrence in the altcoin market. Altcoins dumping crazily to Goblin Town after the first bull market. Guys, a lot of people are attracted to altcoins because they can get huge gains, but at the same time, you can incur huge losses in the altcoin market. Now, for the graph to rally above that $0.31 region from where we're currently trading, we'll need to see the graph pump by around 316%. We can still go higher than that. If the graph goes up by around 500%, we will see it get to that $0.5 level. Guys, these are key levels to watch out for. Other traders and other investors will be watching out for these key levels. We use our Fibonacci retracement to tell us which other level are we going to see the graph facing a lot of difficulties. We rally above the $0.54 region, guys. The graph stopped its rally at the $1.1 level way back in 2022. That $1.1 level is going to be another level you want to pay keen attention to. From where we're currently trading right now, for the graph to rally to the $1.1 level, you need to see it go up by around 1,100%. It can do that, and it can do that very, very quickly. We've seen a lot of altcoins do that, and we've seen the graph itself do that very, very quickly. If we get that wonderful alt-season pump we've been waiting for in 2023, we're not going to see an alt-season in 2023. So we still have like 90 more days in 2023 before we can see an alt-season. Every year, we've always seen an alt-season. Will 2023 be a different year? I don't think so. I still think we're going to see an alt-season this year. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see we're going to see altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin over the next 90 days? Anytime that's happening, we call that an alt-season. If you take a look at the graph's market cap, it sits around $781 million. It has a 24-hour trading volume of $28 million. It has a circulating supply of 9.2 million graph tokens, a total supply of 10.7 billion graph tokens. Where can you get some of the graph tokens? If you want to get some for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on BitTalk, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Guys, you want to always buy low, you want to sell high. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies very, very risky. The market is very volatile, so do your adequate research and analysis before committing your funds. You want to dollar cost average into your position. The market can always go lower from your entry position, so never get scared when you see us dumping to gobbling down. You should have enough confidence in your research. From the RSI, from all the indicators, we are seeing that the graph is showing us huge moves are coming to the upside. If you're an Elliott wave guy, you can easily see the graph setting up for a big wave 3 to the upside after we had this wonderful wave 1 starting the year. On a very bright note, we have seen a wave 2 correction since the turn of the year, and right now I believe we'll be getting ready for a big wave 3 to the upside. The market to tell us how far that wave 3 will go, but wave 3 is always a wonder to behold, and wave 3 most times always go over the start or the end of wave 1. So we'll be expecting at least the graph to rally above where we stopped in 2021 January, and that's around the $0.2 level. That will see us pumping by around 300% from where we are currently trading right now. If you take a look at the graph's performance against Bitcoin, it's had a huge jump to gobbling town as expected. That's what a lot of altcoins do deep in gobbling town in their first bear market. We've seen the graph lose around 94% of its value, but when we get that wonderful Altseason, guys, when we get the altcoin market going crazy, we can easily see it having a big long dildo to the upside. We can easily see the graph rallying up against Bitcoin by 1,000%, 2,000%. The altcoin market can get pretty volatile if we see Altseason. Altseason is when we see those altcoins going crazy. Now, how high do we expect the graph's market cap to go if we see all those conditions return back to the market? We've seen the market cap get to as high as $6 billion, but we've also seen the graph's market cap get to as low as $375 million. We saw the graph's market cap facing some resistance around the $1.7 billion level. Key levels I'll be watching out for: if we see that big rally to the upside, when we get to the $3.5 billion region, I'm sure a lot of people will be taking some profits off the table. But that $5 billion level is the level I see a lot of people getting bullish, and that level is the level where I see us getting rejected before we head back to gobbling town. But that's still around 545% from where we're currently trading right now. What will the price of the graph be if we see a 547% pump from where we're currently trading right now? That will see the price of the graph rally up above $0.5, but that will see us facing resistance around the $0.63 region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still buying on the graph for your moon bag? How high do you see this altcoin going over the next few weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.